Well, hi there everyone. I'm Cameron Hansen with Lean Strategies International LLC, and this week I would like to recommend a great book for everyone to read. First, let's jump over to the recommended reading materials page on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find many great books that will help you sharpen your skills and improve in many different ways. Let's jump over to our browser and pull this open. And there we go. This week's recommended reading is Manufacturing Planning and Control for Supply Chain Management, written by E. Roberts Jacobs, William L. Berry, D. Clay Weibark, and Thomas E. Vollman. It's a great book for everyone to read. The CPIM reference book arms people who read it with fantastic case studies, examples, visuals, and knowledge on supply chain and a little bit of operations management too. You'll learn about topics like forecasting, managing demand, just-in-time, advanced sales and operations planning, and other things like scheduling. It can be a very helpful book for you to read if you're studying for the coveted CPIM exam or you're just looking to improve your supply chain right away. So, if you got a little extra time on your hand, or you're looking for a good book to read, improve your supply chain, or just study up for an exam and get another certification, visit Lean Strategies International LLC and check out this week's recommended reading, Manufacturing Planning and Control for Supply Chain Management. We look forward to hearing from each of you every single week. Now, if you've already read the book, go ahead and click on the link in the description below and share your thoughts on the book and what you recommend people pay attention to on Lean Strategies International LLC. Thanks again, everyone. We look forward to continuing to support you in finding solutions that ignite your power. Talk to you next week.